Sometimes a small grill just isn't enough. And for those traditionalists out there, a big barbecue pit is the only way to go. That's why Western created mini logs in a variety of different flavors. These 8 to 10 inch logs are perfect for medium to large size grills and smokers. And they provide both heat and flavor to the items being cooked. Just like I mentioned with chunks, you should light your mini logs in a natural way. Red hot fire starters are a great way to get your fire started because they're easy to use and they light very fast. Fire starters are simply made of high quality wax and sawdust. Just break it in half and place it under your stack of wood, then light the edge. The starter will burn down, igniting the wood. But mini logs don't stop there. They're perfect for fire pits and fireplaces, providing a wonderful aroma to enhance the ambiance around a campfire or a cozy night at home. In fact, we make piñon mini logs specifically for this purpose. Now, piñon is a natural insect repellent, although it's not intended for cooking.